Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with two new digital kits from my shop, Cinnamon Tea, and super excited to share them with you. If you've been watching my videos, you know that my neighbor recently gave me some vintage lace and vintage crocheting, and it motivated me to get this digital done that I've been wanting to do with vintage lace. And I am thrilled with how it has come out. So I'll just go ahead and show you. So there's two kits, and I'll show you the first one here. This lace here is just one of my absolute all-time favorites, and I've been using it very sparingly, and now I'm thrilled. I have it digitally, so I can use as much as I want. So this is the first page of the first kit. Then these beautiful laces are some of the ones that my neighbor gave me. I just love them. So these are going to be so fun to tear up for collage. I am excited about those. And then these. And this one. I think this one would make a lovely page in a journal as well. So love that one. And then this one I feel like would make a nice background page, like if you've printed a digital on the front, print this on the back, because it could easily be written over in your journals. So there's that one. So that's kit one. Kit two has these beautiful crocheted pieces with the yellow. I love those, and actually was really super happy with how the yellow came out. Sometimes yellow's hard on a digital, but it came out just really brilliant and lovely. So that was good. Then there's these, again, so super good for collage. I'm excited about those. And then some long ones to use as trims. This, again, is one of my favorites that I use all the time, and I'm almost out of it. So I'm super happy to have that digitally too. There's this one, which again, make a lovely page in a journal. And then this one in blue. So those are, it's called Vintage Laces Kit 1, Vintage Laces Kit 2. They are on my Etsy, Cinnamon Tea. So if you're interested, you can go over and check them out. I will get those up and live before I publish this video. So thanks everyone so much for all your support of my Etsy and of course of YouTube as well. I hope you have a ton of fun with these digitals. I intend to myself. I'm super excited. So thanks everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.